Hello, I'm Dr. H2O. Congratulations on your purchase of the H2O Elite Labs water conditioner. Let me take a moment to walk you through the easy installation of the product. Step 1. Locate the incoming water line to your home. You will need approximately 12 inches of straight pipe. Make sure the location is after all filters, pumps and pressure tanks. Step 2. Mounting the control module. The control module can be mounted on any type of wall or surface with supplied mounting hardware. The supplied template can be used to mark the screw spacing. Step 3. Determine the type and size of the pipe. Then refer to your wrap chart in your owner's manual. Step 4. Coil wrapping. The coil can be wrapped on a vertical or horizontal pipe. Measure out 1 to 15 feet of wire for the first lead to the control module. The lead wires from the coil to the control module can be no longer than 1 to 15 feet maximum, but can be trimmed to the desired length. The first lead must be secured to the pipe with the supplied cable ties. Once the first lead has been secured, begin wrapping the wire around the pipe in any rotation, clockwise or counterclockwise. When finished wrapping with the correct number of wraps, secure with the provided cable tie. If installing on PVC, CPVC or PEX pipe, a single coil will be used. Cut the excess wire, leaving no more than 1 to 15 feet of wire. This line can be trimmed to the desired length. When installing the induction coil on a copper pipe, you will need a double layer coil. Wrap the first layer as mentioned on the previous page. When finished wrapping the first layer and secure with a cable tie, another layer must be applied on top of the first layer with the remaining wire. Do not trim or cut the wire at this point. Important: both coils must be wrapped in the same rotation. If the first layer is clockwise, then the second layer must be clockwise. If the first layer is counterclockwise, then the second layer must be counterclockwise. When the second layer is complete, secure the wire with a cable tie. Both wire leads will exit on the same end of the induction coil. The remaining wire cannot be longer than 1 to 15 feet, but can be trimmed to the desired length. Step 5. Connecting the power adapter. The control module comes with a 110 VAC power adapter with a 5-foot cord. This must be inserted into the power receptacle jack in the bottom of the control module. Once the power adapter is inserted into the control module, plug in the power adapter to the nearest wall outlet. If there is not a wall outlet near, an extension cord can be used. Step 6. Connecting the induction coil. Upon completion, the 2 wire leads from the induction coil must be connected to the control module. You will need to strip approximately ½ an inch of wire insulation from each wire. There are 2 illuminated holes at the bottom of the control module to receive these strip wire ends. To insert the coil wires into the control module, there are 2 illuminated push buttons located on the front of the control module. Press down on the buttons one at a time to insert each of the wires into the control module. Once the buttons are released with the wire inserted, this will lock the wire into the receptacle. Give the wire a gentle tug to make sure the wires are connected properly. When routing induction coil leads back to the control module, make sure they are not twisted together or touching each other as much as possible. Make sure the 2 wires coming from the induction coil are no longer than 1 to 15 feet in length. These lines can be cut shorter to the desired length needed. Step 7. The Elite Max Eye comes equipped with 4 color illuminations and sound notifications. The buttons on the front and the wire receptacle holes on the bottom of the control module will illuminate a white light to aid with the installation of the coil wires. The logo halo will stay solid red until the coil is detected. Once the coil is detected, the logo halo will go to solid green. The solid green logo halo illumination will turn blue to notify that the Elite Max Eye is functioning properly. At this point, the button and the coil hole illumination will turn off. If in the event the logo halo illumination goes red, there is a power issue to the control module. If you have any further questions, please visit our website h2oelitelabs.com or give us a call at 800 940 8424.